Okay, finally I got to it. Tutorial number 6 for making mini doilies. Today I'm showing you how to make this one. And let's start. Normally I would start with a magic ring, but as a lot of you don't seem to like magic rings, I will start with a chain 12. So we start with a slip stitch. And we're going to chain 12 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're going to do a slip stitch in our first chain. So slip stitches, yarn over and pull through. Now you're going to do 36 double crochets in your ring, of which the first chain 3 will count as your first double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. That's your first one. We're going to do 35 more double crochets in your ring. So that's the first one. Double crochets, yarn over, go through your ring, take your thread, you will have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull 2, yarn over, pull 2. So I will show it again slow. For the first few stitches, and then I will go a bit faster, otherwise I think the video is going to be too long. So again, so yarn over, go through, yarn over, 2, yarn over and pull 2. Now we have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go faster. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. As you see that you start lacking space, just push your double crochets a bit to the back. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and this is 36, and we will close our ring in the third chain right here with a slip stitch. We're gonna shape our ring. That's your first round. Second round is you're gonna make 12 groups of 3 double crochets close together. So this is again your first 3 chains count for your first double crochet. Now this will be your first group of close together double crochet. This means that you will be working 2 double crochets around, not you will do 2 double crochets. That's not completed. So that's yarn over, go through, pick up your thread, yarn over, pull 2, and you will leave these 2 on your hook. Go to your next stitch, yarn over, pull your thread through, yarn over, pull 2. You have now 3 loops on your hook. You will be closing these 3 hoops all together, and that's your first group of 3 double crochets close together. You're gonna chain 3 for the spaces in between, and again 1, 2. This is your group of 3. Close your 4 hoops together, chain 3, again go through, pick up your thread, pull 2, leave it on your hook, yarn over, pull through, pull 2, yarn over, pull 2, and you will close all your 4 threads together, chain 3. We'll do it again once more slowly. And now I'm going a little bit faster. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you will be always closing a group of 3 with a chain 3 in between. Oops, 1 too far. Pull the 4 together, chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and all 4 together. It's not that difficult. It would be actually almost like doing just a half double crochet. Now this is the last one. Now as you see, you will always have one extra stitch, but that's actually not a stitch because it's your slip stitch from your previous round. So chain 3, and now in the head of your first group here, you're going to do a slip stitch, and your second round is finished. And as you see, you should be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 groups. Now we're going to do another slip stitch to go into your first chain space, and here we will be working each time 8 double crochet with a chain 1 in between. So that's chain 3 for your first one plus your chain for the space. Second double crochet, chain 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going to chain again 3, and now we're going to work 1 single crochet. You see here a group, here a chain space, and on the top of the group here you will be doing your single crochet. So on this one you will be doing your single crochet. See, so here you did your group of 8. Gonna skip this group, skip this chain space, and you're going to do a single crochet on this one. Now we do it again, chain 3. We are going to skip this chain space, this group, and we're going to work in this chain space again, 8 double crochet with a chain 1 in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 3. Again, skip this one, and on the top of the group 1 single crochet. Now single crochet is go with your hook through your stitch, pick up your thread, yarn over, pull 2. Chain 3. Again, you're gonna skip this one, excuse me, this chain space, this group, and you're gonna work in this one. And as you see, slowly the corners are forming. So you're round, you started in a circle, but you slowly are forming now a rounded square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 1, 7, and then 8, chain 3, again skip this, 1 single crochet, chain 3, skip this, and in this chain space I'm gonna do your 8 doubles crochets with a chain space in between. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and something, no, it's correct. Thought I did something wrong. It's correct. 1, 2, 3. On this here we're going to do our single crochet, here it is, single crochet, chain 3, and in the 3rd chain from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, we are going to do a slip stitch, and that leaves you still a chain, 1 chain for your chain space. Now your 3rd round is finished, and we're going to do the last round, which is quite an easy one. You're going to do a slip stitch to go into your 1st chain space, like this. Wanting to start with a single crochet, and in this case it will be for the 1st stitch a chain 1. Then we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 more chains. In the beginning you will be doing 5 chains, 1 single crochet in the next chain space, chain 4, single crochet in the next chain space, and you will be continuing doing this until you reached your last chain space of your first group of 8. So chain 4. Now if you don't like your hoops this long, you can do it chain 3, that's fine too. I wanted my hoops to be a little bit bigger, so I did a chain 4, but you can do as well a chain 3, that's fine. So 1, 2, 3, so we reached our last group. I'm going to do a chain 3, and on the top of the single crochet of the previous round you will be doing again 1 single crochet. I'm going to do a chain 3, and in your first chain space of your group 8 you're going to do a single crochet 1, and again you will be continuing doing a chain 4, single crochet in your chain space, chain 4, single crochet in this chain space, chain 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again we reach the end. I'm going to chain 3, and on the single crochet of your previous round you're going to do a single crochet and a chain 3, and we're going to start over again. Single crochet in your first chains 1 space, chain 4, and once you get the hang of it, as you see, everything is just repetitive. These doilies aren't that hard to make, and you will be crocheting several of these tiny ones in no time. Again we reach the end of our group, last chain space. We're going to chain 3, 1 single crochet on the single crochet of your previous round, chain 3, and again first chain space, a single crochet, chain 4, single crochet. Now for the end I'm going to do a little bit slower again, just in case you didn't get it in the beginning. Now the yarn I'm using is a crochet yarn, 100% mercerized cotton, and I'm crocheting with a 1.5 crochet hook. Now we reached almost the end, so a single crochet on the single crochet, and you're gonna do a slip stitch in your first chain. Let's see, in your first chain a slip stitch, and our little doily is finished. There you are. And this one was crocheted with a 1.25, and as you see this one was at 1.50, a little bit taller, but that makes it so nice to combine eventually if you work with different sizes. You put here a flower on top. So this was tutorial number 6. I will try to add a written description So thank you everyone for watching and following. Bye.